This project combines a basic Arduino circuit with processing code to create a galvanic skin response reader. The GSA reader allows the computer to detect the player's fear, anger and tension during gameplay. This data can be used to alter the condition of our protagonist, Daniel, as he struggles to survive in his own nightmare. The overlay in the bottom right corner displays readings that will affect Daniel's sanity. In this scenario, the player fails to remain calm, which results in Daniel's instability, sight, and breathing. In addition, the monster is able to sense his fear and continue its pursuit.